Namaskaram everyone. Here I am in the foreground of the setting sun, sitting on top of the White Run region in the premises of Dholavira in the Kutch district of Gujarat. Dholavira is the bedrock of the Sindhu civilization when the Sindhu river used to flow along these paths. Now, because of some tectonic activity, it shifted its course due west, and this area dried up, revealing these beautiful, vast salt marshes, which in Sanskrit is referred to as Irinaha, and that is where the word run comes from. So, here I thought in this background we can continue learning the 14th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. As usual, I'll read the shloka and practice writing it in the Gujarati script first, then understand its meaning in English, and then read and write its Gujarati translation. This one is the 22nd shloka from the 14th adhyaya of Bhagavad Gita. It is chanted like this: Prakashancha pravrittincha mohamevacha pandava na dveshti sampravrittani na nivrittani kankshati. Let me practice writing it in the Gujarati script. Prakashancha pravrittincha moha meva cha pandava na dveshti. Again, this the, I keep seeing that whenever the is mixed with other consonants, it tends to become like Devanagari the, but the in Gujarati script is like this. Maybe dva is written like this. There is nothing wrong in writing dva like this. This is how it should have been. Na dveshti sampravrittani na nivrittani kankshati. One more time. Prakashancha pravrittincha mohamevacha pandava na dveshti sampravrittani na nivrittani kankshati. So, to understand this shloka in English, Sri Krishna is once again addressing Arjuna as Pandava, Hey Pandava, O Arjuna. Now he is talking about the characteristics of somebody who has realized that nature of the self, what his approach is towards life. He says, Na dveshti sampravrittani. When sampravrittani, when something happens, when those things that are listed above, when something occurs, when they happen, when they are in one's life, na dveshti, one doesn't hate it, one doesn't abhor it, resent it. These are all not the appropriate words. One doesn't resist it. When something is happening, one doesn't resist it. Na nivrittani, when something is going away or has stopped happening, na kankshati, one doesn't go after it, one doesn't seek it or desire it or try to hang on to it. So, one just is in creation. So, when things are happening, one takes it on, and when they are going away, one lets it be. What kind of things are happening? Not just pleasant things, not just unpleasant things, all kinds of things. He lists them out as prakasham, pravrittim, moham. So, when prakasha or when even realization, something as huge as enlightenment or realization or knowledge dawns upon somebody, when it is happening, one doesn't resist it. When it is going away, one doesn't grab onto it. One's just in acceptance of whatever is there. Pravritti. In the same way, when pravritti, when one's tendencies, one's nature rises up in terms of activity in the world, pravritti, one doesn't again either resist it or hanker for it. One just is a witness and is in total acceptance of every aspect of life. Not just activity, not just realization, but even moha, when desire for something, when attraction for something happens, one doesn't resist it, and when it stops happening, one doesn't hanker after it. So, prakashancha, pravrittincha, mohameva cha pandava, na dveshti sampravrittani, na nivrittani kankshati. I hope now we understand the meaning in English. Let me read out the Gujarati translation first and then practice writing it. He Pandav, તેવો જીવ જ્ઞાન પ્રવૃત્તિ અને મોહને પ્રાપ્ત કરીને દ્વેષ કરતો નથી તથા તેમના નાશ પછી તેમની કામના કરતો નથી. I hope now you understand it in Gujarati as well. If you are a Gujarati speaker, I'm happy with my progress in Gujarati reading. Let me practice writing it. He Pandav, તેવો જીવ જ્ઞાન પ્રવૃત્તિ અને મોહને પ્રાપ્ત કરીને द्वेष, or this dva is द्वेष करतो નથી તથા તેમના નાશ નિવૃત્તિ પછી તેમની કામના કરતો નથી. Thus, we have completed learning the 14th of the 18 most important shlokas of Bhagavad Gita. Make sure that you click on the like button, share this video with those whom you think might benefit from this, and consider clicking on the subscribe button so that you do not miss any of our future updates. See you in the next video of this playlist. Namaskaram.